Apple's next flagship could be its most controversial iPhone in years, and it's not because of the design. The biggest rumor surrounding the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is a potential price increase, with some reports suggesting the Pro Max could cost significantly more than the current generation. If those leaks are accurate, iPhone fans may have a much bigger upgrade decision to make this year. But before focusing on the price, let's look at what you're actually getting. From everything reported so far, the iPhone 18 Pro isn't expected to introduce a dramatic redesign. The overall shape, the 6.9-inch display on the Pro model, and the familiar camera layout are all expected to remain. Instead, Apple appears to be refining the experience with a series of smaller but meaningful improvements. One of the biggest visual changes could be a smaller dynamic island. Reports suggest Apple may move part of the Face ID system beneath the display, reducing the size of the cutout and giving the screen a cleaner look. It's not a revolutionary change, but it's something you'll likely notice every time you unlock the phone. Another rumored improvement is the move to an upgraded LTPO Plus display. Rather than making the screen brighter just for the spec sheet, this technology focuses on better power efficiency. In simple terms, the display should consume less energy while delivering the same experience, helping battery life without relying solely on a larger battery. Speaking of battery, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to receive nearly a 10% increase in capacity. That could translate into noticeably longer real-world endurance, although the trade-off may be a slightly thicker and heavier device. Camera upgrades are also expected. Both Pro models feature a variable aperture on the main 48-megapixel camera. While this technology offers greater control over light and depth of field, its real-world impact on a smartphone remains to be seen. Apple will likely rely heavily on computational photography, so software optimization could be just as important as the new hardware itself. Performance is expected to take another step forward with the A20 Pro chip, reportedly built using TSMC's 2-nanometer process. A smaller manufacturing process usually means better speed and improved efficiency, so users can expect faster performance along with better battery life. Another feature generating attention is Apple's next-generation C2 modem. Beyond improved efficiency, leaks suggest it could enable satellite-based internet connectivity, allowing basic web access even without traditional cellular coverage. If that feature works as rumored, it could become one of the most practical additions to the iPhone in years. Now, back to the price. Supply chain reports indicate manufacturing costs are climbing because of more expensive 2-nanometer chips and rising memory prices. Those increases have led to speculation that Apple may pass some of those costs on to customers. Whether that rumored price increase becomes reality won't be known until Apple officially unveils the iPhone 18 lineup. Until then, these remain reports and leaks, but they paint a picture of an iPhone focused on refinement rather than reinvention. The biggest question is simple. If Apple really raises the price, will the upgrades be enough to justify it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to ZTech for all the latest Apple news and leaks.